Welcome to our gardening channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you grow a successful garden. In this video, we will discuss some of the seeds you can start in March to give your garden a head start. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, this video will provide useful information for your spring planting. March is a great time to start seeds indoors, especially if you live in cooler climates. Here are some of the seeds you can start in March. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a favorite among gardeners, and starting them indoors in March gives them a longer growing season to produce more fruit. Peppers. Peppers need warm temperatures to germinate, so starting them indoors in March is ideal. They come in a variety of colors and sizes, so you can choose ones that suit your taste. Eggplant. Eggplants are heart-loving vegetables that thrive when started indoors in March. They come in different shapes and colors, making them a beautiful addition to your garden. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are easy to grow, and starting them indoors in March gives them a head start to produce fruit earlier. They can be pickling or slicing types, depending on your preferences. Squash. Squash can be started indoors in March and transplanted outside when the soil warms up. They come in different varieties such as zucchini, acorn, and butternut squash. Melons. Melons are a great addition to any garden and can be started indoors in March. They need warm soil to grow, so starting them early will give them a longer growing season. Herbs. March is a great time to start herbs such as basil, parsley, cilantro, and dill. These herbs are easy to grow and can be used to flavor your favorite dishes. Lettuce. Lettuce is a cool season crop that can be started indoors in March. You can harvest the leaves as soon as they are big enough to eat, making it a great addition to your garden. Spinach. Spinach is another cool season crop that can be started indoors in March. It's packed with vitamins and minerals and is easy to grow. Carrots. Carrots are a root vegetable that can be started indoors in March. They are a great source of fiber and vitamin A and come in different colors such as orange, purple, and white. Radishes. Radishes are a fast-growing vegetable that can be started indoors in March. They add a crisp and spicy flavor to salads and sandwiches and come in different colors and shapes. Onions. Onions can be started indoors in March, and they are a staple ingredient in recipes. You could choose from different types such as yellow, white, and red onions. Starting seeds indoors in March is a great way to get a head start in your garden and ensure a healthy and abundant harvest. Make sure to check your local climate and planting zone to ensure you're starting your seeds at the right time. We hope this video has provided you with some useful information for your spring planting. Happy gardening!